Now we will see that in question number 4 what we need to solve. My question says that in a block and tackle system consisting of 3 pulleys, a load of 75 kgf is raised with an effort of 25 kgf. Trying to understand what is how much load is there, 75 kgf, effort is 25 kgf. Okay, find the ma, mechanical advantage, vr, that is velocity ratio, and the efficiency. As everything is given, so directly we will use the formula. As it is given that there is 3 pulleys, so I have written number of pulleys is equals to, and that is equals to 3. Effort is given, that is 25 kgf, and load is 75 kgf. In a block and tackle system, we know that mechanical advantage equals to load upon effort. It means in place of load we have written 75 and effort is 25. So 75 upon 25, that is 3. Mechanical advantage is 3. And what about velocity? Now velocity ratio is equals to number of pulleys. And how many pulleys are there? There were 3 pulleys, which is already given in the question. So directly we get the value of velocity ratio. Now third question was efficiency, that is eta is equals to ma, mechanical advantage upon vr, and that is equals to 3 by 3. See, and that is equals to 1. It means 100% efficiency. Now see question number 5. A block and a tackle system has 5 pulleys. If an effort of 1000 Newton is needed in downward direction to raise a load of 4500 Newton, calculate the mechanical advantage, the velocity ratio, and efficiency of the system. So see, all the things are given. Number of pulleys is given, that is 5. Effort is 1000 Newton. Load is 4500 Newton. So we just put the value in the formula and get the answer. So just I have copied whatever is given in the question. According to the question, number of pulleys is n equals to 5. Effort is 1000 Newton. Load is 4500 Newton. Therefore ma is load upon effort, that is 4500 upon 1000, that is 4.5. That is mechanical advantage. And now for velocity ratio, I have mentioned here that in block and tackle system, velocity ratio is equals to number of pulleys, that is n equals to 5, which is already given. So vr is directly here, without calculation we will get the value. And efficiency is equals to again ma upon vr. Value of ma is 4.5. Right now we have calculated 4.5, and vr we got the value of vr with the help of number of pulleys, that is equals to 5. So when we will divide 4.5 by 5, decimal we have removed, so there is 0. So 5 9s are 45 and 5 10s are 50, that is 9 by 10. It means efficiency of this system is 0.9 or 90%. Now question number 6. In the given figure, draw a tackle to lift the load by applying the force in downward direction. First we will see that what is given in book. Let's see which type of diagram was given. See, in the question this diagram is given. So mark in the diagram the direction of the load L and effort E. If the load is raised by 1 meter, through what distance will the effort move? State the number of strands of tackle supporting the load, and what is the mechanical advantage of the system. So first of all, how we will draw the strand, you try to understand. See, from here we will apply the effort, so it will move in this direction, from top pulley to bottom pulley, then second one from top, then bottom one, and then what? This way we will see how it is connected. So you see, I am going to show you now the diagram, because I want to show the diagram without the strands. So see what I have done. Please use the pencil to draw the diagram. Same thing I did here, from top to bottom, then second pulley from the top, then lower pulley, and then the middle one, and then to the hook. Now see, these 3 are fixed from the rigid support, and these 2 pulleys are movable. So both are connected with the load with the help of axle. So how many strands are there which is handling the load? 1, 2, this is 3, 4 and 5. 2 strands around these pulley, 2 around this pulley, 1, 2, and middle one is connected with the pulley. So there are 5 strands on which the load is divided into equal parts. So 5 into 2 T is equals to load, or T is equals to L upon 5, because this load is divided into 5 equal parts. Okay, and this tension force is equal this side also. Okay, therefore effort is equals to, as we are using 5 pulley, so effort is equals to 1/5 of the load. Now see how I have answered question number, sub question A answer is this diagram. Sub question B, if the load is raised by 1 meter, through what distance will the effort move? So we need to understand, to lift this load 1 meter, we need to lift all these 5 strands together 1 meter. So 5 parts of the rope is lifted. How it will lift? When 5 meter we will move downward. Then from everywhere the strand will lift up, and this load will lift up 1 meter. So I have written, since 5 pulleys were used, tension force is equally divided into 5 parts. To lift the load 1 meter above, we need to pull down 5 into 1 meter. Okay, here. Now question number, sub question C, state the number of strands of tackle supporting the load. That already I have explained you, 5 strands are there, or 5 parts of the cable or 5 parts of the rope is there. If you want to see closely, see this rope part, this one 1, 2, 3 and middle one 5. Now sub question D, mechanical advantage of the system is what? So load L is equals to 5 into tension force, and effort is equals to tension force. So mechanical advantage is equals to load upon effort, and load is 5 times of tension force and effort is tension force, so T cancelled. So mechanical advantage is equals to 5.